So we're going to go back into Facebook Ads Manager to talk about custom audiences, what they are, how to use them. And as you'll see, having the pixel installed, super important to even be able to get to this step. Let's talk about custom audiences. We're going to go over here and we're going to go into audiences. So custom audiences are the different audiences that you are going to build in Facebook that are coming from your website, that are being pixeled from your website. So for example, let's go to create audience, custom audience. Here we go. Here are all of your different options. So if we go to website, you should have green for your pixel. And then this is where it gets cool. So you can do all website visitors. You can also get really specific people who have visited specific website pages, visitors by time spent on your website, and then, or you can do people who have added to cart, purchased, added payment info. So we're going to just keep it at all website visitors. You can do 30 days or max 180 days. And then you name your audience and you create your audience. If you want to do people who visited specific web pages, you can come here, you would do URL equals, and you can put in multiple websites so that you have audiences of specific websites. So this would be cool if you've got a website. Let's continue with the personal trainer example. So you've got a website where you've got a ton of blog posts about weight loss. And then you've got a ton of blog posts about building muscle. So two different audiences, right? Two different types of people are probably reading those blog posts. You can come in here and create an audience of URL equals anyone who has been to your weight loss blogs, specific weight loss blogs. So you're going to put them in here and create that audience. Audience name, weight loss blogs, right? And then you're going to do the same for your muscle building blogs and do that. If you're an e-com business, you can target people who have visited. This is what I do for this specific client. People who have visited URLs relating to a specific product. So that way we can retarget them. So if they bought X product, we can send them an ad. Or I'm sorry, if they went to the website for X product, we can send them a retargeting ad. Hey, you were just looking at this product. Here's this ad, as a reminder that we want them to click on it and purchase that product. So this is really cool. This is probably the number one thing, the number one custom audience I would set up in your ads manager. We can go through the other ones too. So you've got customer list. This is probably the number two most important thing, maybe even tied for number one. Importing your email list. So if you've got an email list, you can import it to Facebook and you can target those people with your ads. So you can import your email list right through here. That's a pretty powerful tool. You can also do any of these, obviously, but the ones that I use the most are website, email list, video. If you do a lot of video content on your Facebook page or your Instagram page, you can select video, and then you can tell Facebook who to target. People who have viewed 10 seconds of your video, 50% of the video. And then the next cool thing is you can choose your videos. So you can go in and a list will come up here and you will be able to select those videos and tell Facebook, hey, anyone who's watched 10 seconds of this video or this collection of videos, I want them to be a custom audience. And you name them and voila. Let's see what else. Anyone who has engaged with your Instagram or your Facebook page, I would create this audience too. So you're telling Facebook, anyone who has engaged with my Instagram, I would keep it at that one because that includes likes, comments, saves, swipes, taps, shares, all that stuff. Name that, Instagram engaged audience. And then you can do the same thing for anyone who has engaged with your Facebook page, any of your post videos, etc. All right, so those are custom audiences. Now, the next level is lookalike. So lookalike audiences allow you to, it sounds like it's exactly what it sounds like, create an audience that looks like one of your original custom audiences. So you created an audience, right? Let's say you created people who buy a specific product. Now you can tell Facebook, find more people who look like these buyers. So you can put in your country that you want to target, and then I keep it at 1%. And now Facebook is going to find people that look like that product's buyers, right? Um, or your email list. You can tell people, Facebook, I want people who look like my email list. I want people who look like the people who have added to cart or engage with my Facebook page. So you see this, how powerful this is, right? The custom audiences and the lookalike audiences. And it all started with the audience testing. So even if you don't have an audience right now, you don't have an audience at all, that's okay, because you're going to build it. So with the brainstorming being the step one, you're running your ads, testing different audiences in those buckets. Sure, they've never seen you, heard of you. That's okay, because they're going to click on your ad. They're going to go to your website. The pixel's going to track them. And then you're going to start being able to create these custom audiences in Facebook, and then lookalikes, and then run more ads and start, snowballing your traffic from there. So that's why this is really cool, really exciting stuff. All right, so that is our custom audiences module. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next module.